Go.
Director's supposed to say 1, 2, 3, action.
1, 2, 3,
Hey, it's
action.
Jerry at Carpets of Arizona, and I wanted to show you a solution for rental houses. If you got a rental house, this is a perfect solution for you. A lot of people are looking for cheap carpet. We have inexpensive carpet that'll work good for you, last you 3 to 5 years with abuse from renters. But the better solution is renters planks. Now the renters planks, you won't have to hire a professional cleaner when you change renters, and it's easy to fix or easy to replace them. But these things are going to last you 15, 20 years, and will be the best thing that you've ever owned for your rental house. Maintenance free, really easy to take care of. Whereas carpet, it can be a nightmare if it gets ripped or damaged or dirty. It's going to be expensive to replace or even to clean. And then this is two of our most popular colors. This is the cottage, and this is Tuscan gray. So a lot of people are getting into the grays now. But we have about 6 to 8 different renters planks to choose from. Perfect solution. Come check us out at in our Chandler store or our Glendale store. Come on by, and we'd be happy to give you a free in-home estimate and show you really how much you'll save by getting renters planks. They do cost about 20% more than carpet, but over the long haul, you'll save probably $5,000 within 15 years. So great solution for rental houses, and a lot less aggravating than having to deal with the carpet when you change renters. Okay, it's Jerry at Carpets of Arizona, and we look forward to seeing you.